Hi everyone, welcome to ASMR Money Mentor. Hey, just wanted to give you a tour of my condo. This is the exterior of the building. The floodwaters from Hurricane Helene came from the back of me into the community. There's my shadow, as you can see as I'm walking towards the gate and walking into the community. It's a very, I guess, Spanish Mediterranean type Italian villa looking place. For those of you that are familiar with the show from the 90s called Melrose Place, it looks a lot like that. You can see lots of people still have their sandbags laying around as the construction has been going on. All of these units flooded. As you can see here, there's a sink and a bathroom sink as well that's been gutted to that unit. And as we turn to the right, it goes to the area, still the back of the community. Beautiful foliage. On the left is the clubhouse as well as a gym that we have that I use. And as we walk through, all of these units of course flooded as well. Coming up on the left is the pool that I've been talking about, where I swim my laps and of course people watch me. That's okay. A little bit cold right now in the winter to be swimming, but all of these units surround the pool. And then I live in the building not surrounding the pool, and the floodwaters pretty much stopped coming up here, as you'll see in just a minute. But there's some more sandbags. All of these units are being gutted as they're being renovated since Helene, as you can see here. Quite a bit of devastation, but the water came through into the parking lot and then pretty much stopped on the other side of the parking lot, right up to the sidewalk there that you can see. And this is my entryway into the condo. I hope you find this relaxing. I'm using my cell phone, not my fancy microphone. But anyway, here is my main living space. I'm going to start over here. This is a picture that I've had for 30 some years when I first moved to Florida. One of my first possessions I ever owned was this print of a leaf, and I absolutely love it. It's in a glass frame. I got it at Pier 1. Gosh, 1994 is when I think I got that. Let me pause and talk a little bit about this picture. You may have seen this in one or two of my videos, perhaps. I can't remember if I had it as a background or not. My mom came to visit me here in Florida in 2003 when I first bought this condo, and we went to a museum. She loved this print, so I bought it for her. She, of course, took it home, and it hung in her office, her den, for like 20 years. Last year, in 2023, she wanted me to have it. So it reminds me so much of her, and I'm happy to have it. I brought it home when I went to go visit them in May of last year, I guess it was. And so I didn't really realize the significance of the fact that it's a woman, a girl sitting on a chair with, let me come over here so you can see it better, with a glass of, or a bowl of milk. And then there's 3 cats. It's a French picture. And now I realize that, hey, that's my sister. The cat at the top, that's my brother in the middle. And then I'm the calico cat. And she's, you know, we're like begging for food. So absolutely love that picture. This chair I've had since 2005. Never really sat in it much. I have been sitting in it more because I now have it kind of in the room this way. I got rid of a trunk that I had, and I wanted this space to be open so that you could walk around. Love that chair. I love this area over here with this Queen Anne table and this lamp that I got at Target when I did my redesign in 2022. You may remember me talking about redesigns, which I do every 5 or 6 years or so. It's hard to see, but that is a rattan. Yeah, you can see it better there. It's a rattan lamp with the white shade, and I like how it goes with the jute rug. The French doors, love these French doors. I never wanted to cover them up, although through the years I did have blinds on them. Now I just have these curtains, which go all the way up to the ceiling to give more height to the room. Love the French doors. Let me show you the patio. As you can see across the way there, that condo, that window has a shutter missing. I don't know if you can tell. From Hurricane Milton, when it came barreling through. Over here on the left, one of my prized possessions, I love this fountain. Can you see it? Let me open up the door. So that fountain, I got also in 2003 when I first moved in here. Of course, I don't have water in it right now because I used to pour bleach in it and it stained, or it bleached out the tile, which I was kind of upset about. But I have re-glazed, or not re-glazed, re-stained this tile, which I need to do it again. It's a terracotta tile. But back to the fountain. Yeah, I got that at the mall. Where did I get that? Bombay Company? Yeah. So I got that at Bombay Company. Absolutely love it. It's always lit up in the sunlight because, again, this is a southern exposure. The bistro table, I've had that since 2000, I think. Absolutely love it. And I also have, let me show you, this palm tree right in the middle. Up here, that you can see the sun and the beautiful palms. And let me show you from over here. Okay, the plant, that's a fake plant, of course. I found these two little pots, believe it or not, in the dumpster. Somebody was throwing them away. I think they're beautiful. Is that a fuchsia color? I think it's fuchsia. Also, I live close to the airport, so see I've got planes coming in all the time. You can hear them in a lot of my videos too. Okay, so let me give more of an angle from back here. Yeah, brown leather couch. It's actually the second couch I've had in this condo. So I've had it since 2003. The other couch I had was also a brown leather couch. Go figure, I don't change things much. That couch really needs to go, but I'm waiting until the place floods and then I'll replace it then with insurance money. I actually have taped the sides of it because for some reason it was like coming apart. Oh well. This picture is called Entrance to Villa. I also love it very much. I bought it at Bombay Company at the same time I got the fountain. As you could tell from the outside of the building in the shot just a few minutes ago, the place looks very Italian. Yeah, like a villa. This is the dining area. Hello, that's me. So this is the little table here. This floor I had put in 2011. It is a laminate. Over there is a picture of my mom and me. And then the kitchen, as you can see here. All of this is original to 2003. I haven't put much money in the condo. I've done cosmetic type things, put in the floors, you know, normal stuff like a hot water heater, the air conditioning system. I've had 2 air conditioning systems. The air conditioning system is right over on the other side of that mirror. The air handler is right over there. Yeah, someday when the place floods, because I'm sure it will, due to a hurricane, if of course I stay here, then the kitchen would be completely gutted and I would replace all the cabinetry, the appliances, etc. Which I think I shared with you. Some of the units that I've been walking around in the community, they're beautiful. They are so beautiful with the kitchens and everything that they've redone. I live kind of on a busy road, so through that window right there, that's a breezeway. And over here on the left, outside of that breezeway, is a busy street, so I hear a lot of traffic there, but it's kind of relaxing. Love these chairs, got those at Pier 1. Then I love this fan as well. I have to clean the blades. I like old world feel, and that definitely has an old world feel to it. Okay. Well, this is a shot that you're used to seeing for the backdrop when I'm recording all the videos. Lately, I've been producing lots of content with these windows open. And as you can see, this is a parking lot view. I think it's pretty cool. There's the palm tree with all the palms that need to be cut. Yeah. So when the hurricane came, it came right up to that sidewalk. Okay, so of course this is a shot that you see. Now what you never get to see is what does my desk look on the other side of the room? Well, there you go. Very simple. That picture up above my desk, of course when I'm producing I say there's a mirror there. When I do mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the wealthiest one of all? It's actually a glass picture. I really love it. I also got that at Pier 1 in 1994. So yeah, keep things a long time if you want to build wealth. Don't always buy new stuff. Buy something that's classic and it lasts a long time. So that is the desk. As you can see, you've probably seen a few things that you've seen during the episodes. For example, the rose. Recognition of savings excellence. The relax and take it easy. As well as the 25 calendar, the planner on the left. And the heart when I'm thanking you guys for subscribing. Oh, I about fell over. And then, of course, you always see the, I love, love, love this jar. That's a family picture that you're seeing right over there. That's me on the left. Long time ago, I think 2005. Swim, bike, run. And then over on this side is just a closet and then my bathroom. And there, of course, is my backpack from Mexico. Okay. Well, let me just go back out here and give you another view from this corner. As we wrap up this episode, thank you so much for walking through a tour of my frugal condo. Thanks guys. If you like content like this, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you have not done so. And I'll see you next time.